The question is, can you get more from your TV and movie soundtracks without having speakers cluttering up your living room? Well, the answer is, yes, you can. Hello, I'm Arron from Richer Sounds, and on this episode, we're going to be taking a look at the Yamaha YAS209 soundbar. Yamaha have been offering up some great sounding and fantastically well-priced soundbars for years. Soundbars have become very popular in recent years, offering a home theatre-like experience without the need for all the extra equipment. The YAS209 even comes with a wireless subwoofer. So what can the YAS209 offer that other soundbars in its price range maybe don't? Let's take a look in the box. Very well packaged. You've got your basic set of instructions there. Really simple remote control, so you can change the bass and treble on their different sound modes, turn it off and on, that kind of thing. They've supplied an optical cable as well, which is really good. It's not the best way to hook up the soundbar, but it is nice to have it as a backup. You've got a UK plug. So what have we got? We've got the soundbar itself, and there's the subwoofer in all its glory. It's a bit of a chunky lad. Really simple connections at the back. You've just got the power input and then a button to sync it with the soundbar wirelessly. So on the back, we've got an Ethernet port. We've got an optical in, and there's a USB input there. But crucially, you've got that HDMI input, and that's going to allow you to connect it to your TV for the best sound quality possible. The soundbar features Dolby Audio and DTS:X Virtual. The 209 was designed to be a bit more living room friendly, so they've gotten rid of some of the buttons and lights, smoothed it all out, giving it more of a fabric appearance, and crucially, they've included Amazon Alexa. The soundbar has Bluetooth as well, handy for sending music straight from your smartphone or tablet straight to the soundbar though. And there we have it, the Yamaha YAS209 soundbar. If you'd like to hear the 209 in person, why not pop into your local Richer Sound store today and organise a demo. In the meantime, if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up. Thanks for joining me for this one. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.